Hello my friends, today I'm gonna replace those with these. Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here. Today we are going to make an unboxing video for these professional LED panels from VISICO. I'm going to replace my ordinary lamps which I have been using for the last 5 years with those way more professional lighting system that will help me have a flicker-free videos and a more evenly distributed light on whatever I'm unboxing. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Keep this out of reach of children. So these are for light temperature. If it's so white or if it's just warm like this, I would prefer it in between. I think 45 or 4400 is the best, I guess. And brightness 40%, and we will keep rising it again. So this is half the way. It's already giving me a perfect lighting condition. I think I'm going to be using them on 4400 for the color temperature and 90% for the brightness. I don't really like the warmer light, so I would raise it a little bit more. I will adjust it for the right color. So thanks for watching, my friends. Give us thumbs up if you liked the video and the LED lighting panels. Hit that subscribe button, of course, to help us create more contents like these. That would be so much helpful, and feel free to ask me anything in the comments down below about them. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.